Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today's episode takes you inside one of the most tense legal and political battle in the country recent history. The trial of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and the rising intimidation around the courtroom. This is a long-form special report set back as we take you through witness testimonies, political reaction, and what this means for peace, unity, and the people of South Sudan. Let us start with the first story, the court session. Before we begin, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Well, on November 24th, 2025, at the special court in Juba, a key witness took the stand in the trial of South Sudan suspended first by President Dr. Riek Machar. The witness, Major Peter Malwaldeng, a military investigator with the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, made a strong claim about the killing of Major General David Majur in Nasser back in March 2025. Speaking slowly and firmly, Manuel told the court that the attack on Nasser was carried out by the Nuer army and force loyal to the SPLA-IO under Dr. Riek Machar. He gave detail of what he said was the moment General Majur was killed, naming Kang Makane, a Nuer army leader, as the man responsible. Malwal say Kang Makane took command of the Nuer army after the earlier death of Colonel Torgile Leton. The courtroom remained silent as the investigator pointed at photo evidence and video presented by the prosecution. What the prosecution claimed. The prosecution team brought a large amount of visual evidence before the judges. One video, they say, showed Kang Makane inside a car, announcing that he was on his way to launch an offensive against General Majur position. Other footage showed the body of a soldier being dragged to a river by men that prosecution claimed were Nuer army fighters. There were also images of a damaged UNMISS helicopter and the body of General Majur after the fighting. Prosecutors said more than 250 soldiers, one UN helicopter crew members, and General Majur himself were killed in the clashes. So let's look at the UNMISS evacuation story. One of the major points in the testimony was the evacuation attempt by UNMISS on March 7, 2025. According to Major Malwaldeng, a high-level meeting took place in Juba before the evacuation. UN officials, diplomats, and of course, members of the presidency, including first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, were present on that high-level meeting. Major Malwal indicated that Dr. Riek Machar promised the SPLA-IO forces and the Nuer army would not interfere with the UN helicopter. But he told the court that this promise was not followed. He said the UN helicopter faced heavy gunfire during its approach, and forces on the ground refused to pull back from the landing zone by at least 300 to 500 meters, something the UN had repeatedly requested. Because of this, the evacuation turned violent, and the operation nearly failed. So let's take a look at the video from the battlefield. The judge then watched translated clip recorded during the fighting. One video showed the late Colonel Torgiletuan speaking to fighters, urging them to attack Nasser garrison. He accused the government of Salva Kiir Mayardit of breaking the 2018 peace agreement that was signed between Kiir and Dr. Riek. Another set of videos show fighters preparing logistics for the attack. Fuel, ammunition, communication radios, giving a prosecutor more material to argue that the attack was planned ahead of time. So let's see what the defense said. Lawyer defending Dr. Riek Machar and the 8 others accused remained calm as the prosecution presented their evidence. The defense team began to challenge the witnesses during cross-examination, questioning the reliability of the videos and the interpretation of the event. They argued that the Nuer White Army is a community defense force not under Dr. Riek Machar's formal command, and that the narrative around the Nasser clash is politically motivated. Judge Dr. James Alaladeng, who is leading the panel of 3 judges, later adjourned the hearing to continue the next day. While the courtroom was tense, another story was developing just outside the court, involving intimidation, fear, and political pressure. The SPLM-IO Youth League announced that one of its senior members, by the name Lam John Ney, was beaten, blindfolded, and arrested by National Security Force, soldier, SSPDF soldier, while attending the trial session. According to the Youth League, Lam John Ney had a verbal disagreement with SSPDF soldier believed to be from the Tiger Division. Moment later, he was taken away. Nobody knew where he was for 5 hours, even now. The arrest of Lam John Ney, eyewitness outside Freedom Hall, say soldier wrapped Lam face with dirty clothes, shoved him into a vehicle and drove off. His colleagues tried to ask where he had been taken, but soldier refused to speak in Freedom Hall. It was only at 3 p.m. that Lam was released. He later learned he had been held inside the Tiger Division, South Sudan Command garrison. Even after his release, soldier blocked him from re-entering Freedom Hall to follow the trial. The Youth League say this behavior goes directly against the judge's earlier order that the trial must be open to the public, journalists, civil society, and activists. So, this was not the first time SPLM-IO youth members were arrested around the court. The Youth League reminded the public that in October, another official, Alfred Ganmai, their information secretary for Mayom County, was arrested by the National Security Service soon after leaving the courtroom. He was kept overnight and released without any charges. Youth leaders say this is now become a pattern, a sign that some security institutions are being used to intimidate opposition supporters. So, what the Youth League is saying, in a strong statement, Youth League spokesperson Gatiek Wichar condemned the arrest of Lam John Ney. He said using soldier against an armed citizen and political observers is illegal, and we can trust in national institutions. Other senior SPLM-IO members also spoke out. Both Balwang, a top official in Machar office, for many people across South Sudan, this trial is not just about court documents and legal arguments. It reflects the bigger fear in the country. fear of political persecution, fear of renewed conflict, fear of attack on communities, and fear of a return to mistrust and division. From Juba to Nasser, from Bentiu to Malakal, families are watching carefully. Many say they want justice, but they also want fairness. They want accountability, but also peace. Some community elders worry that the trial could deepen the tribal tension if the process is seen as biased. Well, the next hearing is scheduled for November 26, 2025, where Major Malwaldeng is expected to complete his testimony. The defense will then continue their cross-examination, challenging every part of the evidence. The defendant in the case include Dr. Riek Machar, Pot Kang Chol, Mampal Dor, Gadwe Lampoch, Lieutenant General Gabriel Duoblam, Camilo Gad Michael, Mading Yakrik, and Dominic Gad Gokrik. The final verdict is still far away, and the case continues to draw national and international attention. As this trial continues, South Sudan stands at a crossroad. Will justice and the rule of law prevail, or will political pressure and intimidation shape the outcome? Here at Changfied, we'll continue to follow the story with accuracy, fairness, and a voice for the people. Thank you for watching this long. Jawaban right gwas me kimin bukora tin bala ripoda non grewich ka South Sudan. Ke qui lok en lok Dr. Machar ka je kada ram kel mi chala do jen chaje yen eko shewo gwa dan lok lukten milaran espila yo ban jelin ka jele rame. Ken kono nyam goro jin be subscribe ka bi notification bal bi jetwan. Komite mi che bre gwas mi be shwamala shube kiji. Shanga jandang ro don wan ka pai wel kel ron kin dang ro jandang ro diech ci lukan loka re wi ke Juba la special court entre wi ke Juba ka freedom mall ci teud kel mi ci wacc ka qui first by president Dr. Machar ka ci wacc karamedan en weekend no de general Majur dak de jenak en ramamo me laran nen kamo mi ci rojejen walle ke ci roje ke chanya dang ro don wan wudi shala Major Peter Malwaldeng general military investigator round ne ko la na tich ke de SSPDF jen ci rojen wonena jara me dane nek Major General David Majur dak re weekend Nasser jenenge jeje roy nyamnat nyamne ne kon lat ke luk kacha raja Georgian wonena jene kure dana jituok re wika Nasser jene nwer wayami neti la loyal ko kumes pelayo so cha raj gwaze dana bi Majur bay kul nekten kanete ko ken ramadan nek kirama jakko ba Majur ba jene ke chori jela da jene kang makane en nwer wayami leader ajene Ramadan en kapkur ke Ramadan nek Majur malwal chela do nene ajene kang makane cha command che kan la bot nwer waya mi ko gwase dane che kolene torgile twan me cha yire cha jabat a general Majur dak ko koreniam ko torgile twan koreniam me kormeje to George no tajenek General Majur da Kennedy neke ka Jordan te kulat gwasme tela do nene akan kurma kana to take a video ni kan kanyot ka courtroom gwadan lo ko lukte wude me Michel Kamalwale wud jana me rajen wonena ke video ni kene tour ni cha nyon nas gwadan luk lukten ko luk cha ken kejen gwas me chala gurno nyot ke jana ke de je displayed kan turun content walk la evidence but cha kamne de content wenamo ka video nen content je nyot che kang makane che nyot tere torbiel rajetin anu mitere torbielo we gwada dan inte General Majur tetin to yara diu ka Nasser wala da joy ke jen video man wo wa ko ba General Majur dak ba dora ba dak no anyok te ke video no ko kini ken ga nyok news ken ke ti ken ga collect online and wo te ke di ni SSPD apichala do cha yoch ti cha na kwa la yoch kwa pankin kwa la yoch so che jomo che jelat nyok ba jen che yuni mi helicopter mi cha barba che jenyot kan gwade dane cha General Majur cha jenekten che kenyot kan video na tone chikan la do cha de ni cho kudang ro jendang die cha yiken cha bat ke chi ga liu gwade dan ko je toktin ke UN helicopter crew members ke jen point de General Majur da gwade dan chi ko je toktin cha rojen bude me ano shirek mo cha jalat anetin konde la nor wayami ti charan mat kel ke de ni aspelayo mar dia na cha nyoko mu kwa report gwas me jene testimony gwade dane lat ke evacuation lat jetin me nan ke de ni nan kare wich ke juba aji unimis ka chang baro ka pay dok ronki dawro nyandang ro dich ka joma chala da Major lwal deng ramdan la witness jene cha high level meeting ke chinetin ditin niam chiga dol re dol kana mo dol kanu ba ne ti ba wujidi re wich ka Nasser wati UN official ticketin the diplomat ticketin the members of the presidency ticketin ti Dr. Machar batetin gwasmo gwada dol natina chi Major malwal chela do nene jen Dr. Machar chero de yaje no BSPLIO force kenen wer wayami eno chicken UN helicopter chicken be book no ajen ta da na chela ke je wa chero de yaj baden promise chi Dr. Machar chero de yaj je awa kana uling ne de kona de pinya la wer wayami jene ka chop UN helicopter to koryo to gwan mi chama cha dwetin no generate kormo to la kormi didelong kene kola nwer wayami wa chitaram kuko control chaka control Dr. Machar chaka control SPLIO so kenen wenmo shukor me chotwo jen gwadan liu na tene no ko cha nwer wayam chaka control Dr. Machar do ba dien me de ka jogo no yen chwadun ganga ja nyok ma chala do jeni wa man mi yat kene je ka do ba dien makan ngaj mete makan kana ko ngaj go ramdan to mai ki yat chineri kon la jilok chicken tin kon lat kurin chicken ngenen chicken gwich kan kelevin kon ki video no kon sha yoch no gwad mi mo cha kul na torgil to an cha en tin ka video mo gwad mi raje tin keneri kon la nwer wayami eno bane wi yara diu bane jama ka bane jadak gwad mi cha lat ka jen koderi ngamo jenul chalga malwale eno kul na torgil to an aramimo michir waje jojen wo gonya kuma kirmi yadit ki government wo chicken 2018 peace agreement chicken yar no video den mi kan nyok mi use news kene re gwada danen nyot kan evidence wa kaniri kon tilla nor waya mirial karodi ne ka ko bikan wich mo bikan mark la wi yara du gwan me de kan metin ka ko ka communication radio ki kan ke radio ni ken so to talk ati kan ga nyodbo within gwada danan lo ko lukten lawyer dung Dr. Machar kan ne dang ba dektin kone a yen kel ten kwa lugien kwa le luk wa chicken evidence ti chikala no chicken ko object ke chicken ga challenge but kana no ken wo dong de karwaje chengamo chi doctor chi judge Dr. James Alala deng chela do ba luk ba je kap ke chang ndang lo bakel cha luk cha ga ga wena mone lo kan cross examination kan lat ke jen wude me mi chiro ajene mo gon kuma spela yo ne ke kala no wude shal ke me kan ma kan jiram dana dak men nak jarma judak so ne me muto so chana we ka report me gwan mi mo wona ka mi lo ka luk Dr. Machaten che jojo gwan wo chi deni SSPD re wiki juba ka freedom all ti karam kel mela kwer SPL mayo use leak SPL mayo use leak kwer ngani wun shallam John nei ajana wa chaja kef ka chaja duch ka chawi de chaja moch kebi ano ko cha gwa wutin cheje bukulu ngich wa chaja nang gwara dien mi cha ngach chi use leak chi kala do ne yalam chaja nang gwan mi ma chi gwa tin kene de ni tige disagreement or yitwo na and when mo ne de kon nang kana chala do ke ne de kon chalge tiger division kene de content cap ke wude me ka bom kanang ka je gwa Sudan an waje yenten ka waje kene pimalong ne tin lan nen panke ni kala do ne na kanen wude me inshallah ma kan ga je ko freedom mall jen gwa dan kab yeten de ni ka do me kan ngach wa chwa wido mo ke benti jek dead close chala duida ka chwa yore torbiel ka chu torbiel chu jen no na mo to ke 3 pm I mean ka ta diok 3 pm chwa je kulo nyok mulo nge jaga tiang ka kor chu ga ngajo go da na chaje yenten and wa tiger division ka source command garrison re wiki jupa so jen gwa dan cha yenten ka do mi kan ngach agwan wo ngumi yan ka je ban mi ngach wana me shi jen first time cha wun Michelle Alfred gad mai ka gwa dan cha je kon yen ne ran information secretary for Mayom County chaje yen national security service ka kor chaje ulun ka yan ka ni ka jen courtroom mo gwa dan luk tin ka freedom mall ka chi point de kene kon la judge misale la chi na permission o court is open for everybody ngum lel kan ne de chi lel kan lo yan ka je mi chi o dong te ka mate kujimi so jo me charge condemn ne de kontila SPLIO use leak spokesperson ga tieg wichar chi condemn no ngum yan ke lam jonani yen lam jon ajani cha ngot cha ga tul ku me mandana yene la de ni so jo me je nana to la senior SPLIO members dal na lon ko la na wi yan ke she senior SPLIO members mutually pok both ba long che right bone nyene top official kama share office chela do ne gwa wo sha wudu mo shaje lun ke de yan lun ka ta da na che right ke ja jo me je nana gorno de nyo ye kel please mi jiram jidit gwasme goro jin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi je subscribe ki bi je support ke bi notification bell bi je to an comment ke mi shi bere bi chamala shi ka yan bi ta kama bye bye